When two of Africa's biggest musical rivals, Wizkid and Davido, perform at the same wedding, you know it's no ordinary event. But here's the real shocker. It wasn't just about music. This wedding had an entire continent talking, and not everyone was clapping. This is the story of Fatima Dangote, the billionaire daughter of Aliko Dangote, Africa's richest man, and Jamil Abubakar, the son of a former inspector general of police. A love story worth billions, literally. But what went down at this wedding will leave you stunned. For years, Wizkid and Davido couldn't even be in the same room. Fans argued, social media erupted, and the rivalry defined African entertainment. But then came this wedding, where both stars performed. Why? Because when Africa's richest man calls, even the biggest egos bow. This wasn't just a wedding. It was a billion-dollar spectacle. 3 cities, Kano, Abuja, and Lagos, hosted this multi-day affair. The decor could rival royal palaces, and the guest list, presidents, tycoons, and global elites. But as the cameras flashed, so did the criticism. The price tag for this wedding reportedly ran into hundreds of millions of naira. While some praised the display of love and success, others called it an insult to the millions of Nigerians struggling to make ends meet. And then there was the question no one wanted to ask. How much is too much? Even Wizkid and Davido's surprise performances couldn't escape scrutiny. Was this a symbol of unity? Or just proof that money can buy anything? Even peace between rivals? Here's the jaw-dropper. Over 30 private jets landed for this wedding. Guests dined on food flown in from Paris, and custom-made souvenirs were handed out. For some, it was the ultimate celebration of African wealth. For others, it was a painful reminder of inequality. Love, power, and controversy. The Dangote Abubakar wedding had it all. But what do you think? Was this the African dream in action, or a glaring display of privilege in a struggling continent? Let us know in the comments below. One thing's for sure, this wedding didn't just unite 2 families, it united Africa in debate. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that keep you talking.